Namaste to all the viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Outlier 73, and my name is Namita, Chartered Accountant. Today's topic of discussion would be on implication of GST on sale of old or used cars used for the business purpose by the registered person. Sale of old and used car is a very common transaction undertaken by a registered person who is engaged in any business. Just let us try to understand the expression supply as per GST. As per Section 7 of CGST Act, sale includes sale, transfer, barter, exchange, license, rental, lease, disposal, for consideration by a person in the course or furtherance of business. Since the car used by the registered purpose for business purpose, disposal of the same would be regarded as having been made in the course or furtherance of the business. Hence, sale of car by a registered person used for the business purpose is chargeable to tax under GST. Implication of GST on sale of old or used cars can be mainly categorized into two cases. Case one being when ITC, that is input tax credit, is availed under GST, either under GST or SUNVAT or VAT. And the situation two or the case two being when ITC is not availed under GST or SUNVAT or VAT. In today's session, let us mainly focus on case 2, that is ITC not availed on such car which is being sold by the registered person which was earlier used for business purpose will be dealt in. It may be noted here that ITC, that is input tax credit on car, is generally blocked under GST and is only available in few instances, like if the car is used for the further supply or for the further transportation of passengers or imparting training or driving of such car. As seen in majority of cases, ITC is blocked for the car and thus there is very less chances of ITC being availed when it is purchased. Thus, as per notification 1 2018, there will be no compensation cess, and further a reduced GST rate will be applicable on the sale of old car. Let me repeat, there is no compensation cess levied on the sale of old car and there is a reduced GST rate as per notification 1/2018. As you are aware, GST is equal to value multiplied by GST rate. It becomes very important in this context to determine the value in case of sale of old car. As per notification number 8/2018, reduced GST rate will be applied on margin of the supplier. In short, margin scheme is applicable in case of sale of old cars. Further, determination of value under margin scheme is dependent on two criteria or facts. That is, first fact or case being where depreciation under Section 32 of the Income Tax Act is claimed, and second case being where depreciation under Section 32 of the Income Tax Act is not claimed. Now, let us try to understand the meaning of the term value or margin under these two situations. To take up the first situation, that is, in case depreciation under Section 32 under Income Tax Act is claimed, then value or margin for GST purpose would be difference between the sale consideration and depreciated value, that is difference between the sale consideration and WDV of such car. And very important point to be noted here is if the margin of supply is negative, then there will not be any GST or the tax. Let us move on to the second situation. In case depreciation under Section 32 of the Income Tax Act is not claimed, then margin or the value of GST value for GST purpose would be difference between the selling price and purchase price. And in this case also, if the margin of supply is negative, it shall be ignored. There will not be any levy of GST in such case. Thank you, friends, for watching this video till the end. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel if not already subscribed, and share this video among your friends, and also click on the like button to keep us motivated. Thank you.